In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove background from any picture using Canva. From this to this, you can see this has a background and now the background has been removed. So I'll be showing you how to do that using Canva. The first thing you need to do is to log into Canva, then click on create a design. Select the size of the design you want to create. So I'm going to select any design size. So this is your design space. So if you want to remove the background of an image on Canva, so once you open your design, okay, you bring in the image, you can import it by clicking on upload. So I already have an image here. This is the image I want to remove the background. So to remove this background, you're going to click on the image, you click on BG remover. If you don't see this BG remover, just click on edit. You click on BG remover. So once you do that, this background will be removed and it's going to carry the background of your workspace. So even if your workspace is red in color or yellow, it's going to carry the background. You can see that the background has been removed. The image background has been removed. So this is how to remove image background on Canva. It is also important that you need to have Canva Pro for this feature to work. So to get access to Canva Pro, simply click on the link in the description to get access to Canva Pro. So I hope this video is helpful. You have learned how to remove background using Canva. Do well to like this video and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you.